If you've been deeply hurt and your trust has been shattered by someone close to you, it's important to prioritize your emotional well-being while navigating the aftermath. Firstly, acknowledge your feelings and allow yourself to grieve the betrayal. It's natural to feel anger, sadness, or confusion, but don't let these emotions consume you. Instead, focus on healing and moving forward. Consider setting boundaries with the person who hurt you to protect yourself from further harm. Communicate your feelings honestly and assertively, expressing your need for respect and understanding. However, be prepared for the possibility that the other person may not fully comprehend or accept the impact of their actions. Forgiveness can be a powerful tool in the healing process, but it doesn't necessarily mean reconciling with the person who hurt you. Rather, forgiveness is about releasing the burden of resentment and finding peace within yourself. Seek support from trusted friends, family members, or a therapist who can offer guidance and empathy as you navigate this challenging time. Remember that healing is a journey and it's okay to take it one step at a time. Ultimately, focus on rebuilding your trust in yourself and in others. And don't be afraid to seek closure or distance from toxic relationships for the sake of your own well-being.